Laundry room. Hello, learners. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of laundry room. We'll explore useful vocabulary and tips to help you master this essential space. Let's get started and make laundry words a piece of cake. Washing powder detergent, bleach, floor cleaner, fabric softener, bottle spray, soap holder, soap bar, liquid soap, dishwashing liquid, furniture polish, detergent laundry, laundry basket, pile of dirty clothes, washing machine, clothesline, clothespin or clothes bag, hand dryer, clean clothes, clothes rack, clothes tree, dustpan, scrub brush, broom, vacuum, mop, squeaky mop, bucket or pail, plunger, trash bags, trash can, garbage can, bin, rubber gloves, feather dust, extractor,